friends.
Hello.
Hello, and how are you?
Good, good.
Well, look, everyone, it's Cowboy Bob.
Well, hello, youngins. It's your old friend Cowboy Bob, star of the YouTube Cowboy Bob Show.
Well, it's so good to have you with us. The puppets have been talking about getting along with all kinds of people. So we want to know how all the animals get along on a farm.
That's right, that's right. We've never been on a farm, and so how do you get all the animals to like each other?
Well, Swanee, I'd be pleased as punch to tell you about that.
Good.
There's nothing like living on a farm. You young people know where milk comes from? Yeah. No, I'm sorry. The correct answer was H-E-B.
Uh-oh.
Milk comes from the H-E-B.
Oh, dear.
Wait, Cowboy Bob. The children are right. Milk comes from a cow.
Well, now, I was just at the H-E-B yesterday, and I saw a lot of milk, so...
Well, let's just say, no need to argue about it.
Cowboy Bob, they're having a problem with what you're saying.
Yeah, well, we're trying to learn how to get along, but Cowboy Bob, but it must be wonderful to live on a farm with all kinds of animals.
That's what I hear.
You hear?
You see, I've never exactly been on a farm, but I watch a lot of TV, so I'm an expert on all kinds of things. I've heard farms are hunky-dory.
Oh, dear.
Bob, we asked you to come today to talk about farms so we could think about, just like there are all kinds of animals on a farm, there are all kinds of people, and God loves them all. Is there anything you could teach us about farms?
Yep. My advice, young people, is don't milk the chickens. They get real ornery.
That just makes sense right there.
I don't believe this. Okay. Well, another lesson we can learn from a farm, if we've ever been to one, is that the different animals all have a different gift, and we need them all. Whether you know it or not, you have a gift the world needs.
Jimmy, you got a song to get us all out of this?
That's a tight puppet show, don't you? Yeah. Okay, will you help me sing a song?
Yes.
And will you be the drum section?
Yes.
I like that, man. But you are the light of the world. You are the light of the world. You're salt of the earth. You are the salt of the earth. You are the light of the world. You are this network. You are a infinite word. Let your light so shine. Let your light so shine. Let your light so shine. Ready? You are the light of the world. You are the salt of the earth. Light of the world. You are the salt of the earth. You are the light of the world. You're drumming. You are a infinite word. Let your light so shine. Let your light so shine.
All right, friends, if you'll stay here, we have something special that we're going to do. And I'm going to call Lola up here.
It's just cook it like that.